shifting in the light. Let it rain again. Wash the dust off everything I've been holding in. From a small breeze to a wild, untamed wind. Rolling in soft, then it crashes like it's never gonna end.